Blizzard has officially added competitive mode to the PC version of Overwatch. Described as a more serious Overwatch experience, competitive mode was recently trialed on the public test servers ahead of this week's full rollout. However, PS4 and Xbox One players will have to wait a little bit longer for the new game mode, because the patch is still awaiting approval by Microsoft and Sony. Competitive mode should make its console debut at some point next week, although Blizzard doesn't have an exact date. Do not forget to give me like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos. Follow me on my social networks. If you want us to send you a greeting in the following news videos and share top 5 will in the next video.